In this video, we're going to take a look at a 5-volt charger, your basic charger, and a 9-volt charger, the upgrade. So, inside, your 5-volt is very basic. Control chips on this side, like always, transformers, capacitors, and such on this one. This is USB. On this 9-volt, it's much larger. The transformer is much beefier. All the components are a lot bigger. This has some kind of compound on it for cooling, I'm assuming. Most of the chips are on this side. This has a lot more controller chips on here. And it's just a beefier unit, Type C. So as you can see, your basic and your advanced. This is well worth the money if you want to upgrade. You can actually upgrade and plug your Samsung phone into this. You just need the conversion from the Type C to your regular, whatever charger you're using on the bottom of your phone. So it's that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a good one.